Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Thought of the day for school morning assembly. And the thought is everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. Meaning is no matter how difficult the circumstances, no matter how difficult to achieve our goals, no matter how difficult the job or task may be, dedication and passion work as fuel. They inspires and drives people towards specific goals. They powers determination, hard working and creativity that makes great accomplishments possible. It is passion that correlates a person's desire and capacity to go above to achieve superlative outcomes. I would say that passionate and dedicated person keep going on, contribute more and achieve success. Dear friends, if we dedicated, motivated and passionate in our aims, we may surely achieve our aims and difficult situation does not matter. Thank you.